Hey guys, I'm Simulator Tech, and today I'll be building a THOCKY 96% keyboard. By the way, thank you guys for 1500 subscribers. I'm so proud of how far this channel has come in the past year, and I'm so grateful for all of you. And this video is sponsored by my dad's coworker because it's a commission build. Yeah, it's not a sponsorship. The keyboard I'll be starting off with is the Rk96 in the camp green colorway. This board comes with some basic accessories and costs $90. Here's the board. As you can see, the case is a sturdy plastic, and it has some pretty cool features like a scroll bar that adjusts audio levels and a mute button. This board comes with some surprisingly nice double shot keycaps, which I believe are PBT, but I could be wrong, and they're in a botanical-like colorway. Of course, we don't endorse the use of clones here at Simulator Tech, but GMK is really expensive, so I kinda understand. This board is hot swappable with 3 and 5 pin switches, and the included ones are RK yellow switches. These surprised me a lot since I'm pretty sure they're pre-lubed. They feel very smooth and sound quite clacky, though that is not the sound we're targeting today. In terms of features, this board does have that lovely scroll bar that controls system volume, as well as the mute button, which mutes sound obviously. This board also boasts 3 modes of connection, including USB-C, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz with this dongle on the back. All of these modes can be controlled with the switches on the back of the case. Additionally, this board can act as a USB hub with its 2 USB-A ports on the back. I doubt it can transfer files at high speeds, but it's perfect for plugging in mice or other peripherals. Oh yeah, and the included wrist rest is magnetic, so that's really cool. I will have back-to-back sound tests of this board modded and stock, and with all of that out of the way, let's get to modding. Upon removing the PCB and plate assembly from the case, we can see that this board uses a steel plate and there's a thin layer of foam in the case. Between the PCB and plate, there's a nice piece of plate foam which will definitely help in reducing the dullness and pinging of the steel plate. Alright, for the first mod, I'll use the infamous PE foam mod. Popularized by the Jelly Epic, this mod generally produces what people call a creamy or marbly sound. In my case, my hope is it will bring down the naturally clacky high pitch this board produces. Of course, I will reinstall the plate foam and the plate, and now I'll add 2 layers of the tape mod. This mod was originally created by Tempest, and it's known for creating a poppier and in some cases a deeper sound profile. Inside the case, I'll add some polyfill just to make sure there's no trace of hollowness in the case. Oh, I also didn't bother relubing the stabs since they're pretty much perfect out of the box. The new switches we'll be using are Gateron Pro Milky Yellows. These are widely regarded as one of the best budget linear switches, and they are pre-lubed, which is pretty sick since I don't have to spend 2 hours doing that. The Milky housings generally produce a nice deep sound, so hopefully that will work out, and my camera died. Right, so we'll skip straight over to the keycaps. The ones I'm using are an XDA set that costs like $25 on Amazon. These are pretty thick and the printing is pretty crisp, so for $25 I have absolutely no complaints. The only thing I can think of is since XDA profile is flat, it may take some getting used to if you're used to step profiles like Cherry or OEM. And with that, here are the before and after sound tests. Overall, I'm quite happy with how this board sounds. Stock, this board actually isn't that bad, but it sounds a little bit plasticky. After some basic mods, this board really shines. The combination of the mods and the new switches help produce a nice thocky sound signature, and I really like that. If you're interested in this board, I do have a link in the description, which when paired with code simulator will get you a 10% discount. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching, and thank you Red Dragon for sending out the board. See you guys later. Bye!